If you do this belly burning movement once a day, the big belly will gradually disappear. It's definitely not running, not doing squats, and it's definitely not dancing in the square. The fastest way is sticking to this one movement every day. It works extremely fast. Don't tell me you don't want to try. This movement is recognized worldwide as one of the quickest and most effective ways to reduce belly fat. You don't need to run, you don't need to jump, and you don't need to starve yourself or eat diet meals. You simply lie at home and practice this single movement on your bed. This is how I use this method to go from 148 pounds all the way down to 100 pounds. Just practicing 10 minutes a day is equivalent to running outside for an hour. Remember to tap a little heart and save this video so you won't lose me when you need the exercise. Over the years, I've also helped hundreds of middle-aged and elderly people in our community get rid of their big bellies successfully. One case I remember the most is Uncle Wang from the next neighborhood. He's one of my most loyal followers. Don't be fooled. He looks great now at only 135 pounds, but before, he was 190 pounds with a huge beer belly. He also used this exact method to achieve his current body. Believe it or not, after he met me, he never went on a diet, never ate special fat reduction meals, and never did any intense workouts. First, we worried about nutrient deficiency, and second, with his weight at that time, running or jumping would easily cause injuries. It would have been more harm than good, but he was extremely disciplined. Every day at home, he would practice this movement for 5 to 10 minutes. So what exactly is this great method? It's called the lumbar and back core opening technique. While it opens and relaxes the lumbar and back area, it also reduces belly fat in a safe and effective way. Now I'll show you the movement without holding anything back. First, we need a lumbar support board like this. It's used to assist the exercise. If you don't have one at home, you can buy it in most large supermarkets. It only costs about the same as a piece of spare rib. After you bring it home, place it on your bed or on a sofa, then lie down along its curve. Watch closely. At this moment, our entire lower back is lifted and supported. The tightness and pressure built up in the lumbar and back area throughout the whole day gets released instantly. Then 3 major benefits follow. Benefit 1, it instantly stretches our tense lumbar and back muscles. The erector spinae is the area that tightens up the easiest. Once it is stretched open, it regains elasticity and improves muscle quality. Naturally, your entire lower back will start to feel comfortable. Benefit 2, this lumbar board is designed according to ergonomics. Its curvature matches the natural curve of the back perfectly, so it helps the lumbar spine return to its original healthy physiological position. This is very friendly for people with disc protrusion, strain, or spinal narrowing. It can also gently traction and open the narrowed disc space. Once the space opens, the internal pressure in the lumbar region disappears naturally. Numbness in the hips or legs also reduces or disappears. Benefit 3, it also releases pressure from the sacrum, hip joints, and sciatic area. So not only the lower back, but the hips and legs become extremely relaxed. If you lie like this at home for 5 to 10 minutes a day, it is the best way to open and care for your lumbar and back. Stick to it for a while, feel the comfort in your waist, back, hips, and legs, and then look at the change